depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Diretsahan na tayo. Pero, tapusin mo pa rin yung video kasi kahit anong diretso ko dito, kung hindi mo naman tatapusin yung video, wala ka rin matututunan. Kaya nga, hindi naman TikTok to, advantage to na tutorial. Medyo mahaba naman yung videos, pero huwag kang maiinip. Makikinig ka lang naman. Napakatamad mo naman, di ba? If you want to get your ex back, you need to become a listener first. And I want you to listen carefully. I want you to understand everything that I'm going to say. I want you to digest it. At kung hindi mo gano'ng maintindihan, rewatch the video. Kasi napaka-importante ng mga sasabihin ko. Hindi mo pwedeng tulugan lang. I want you to listen. Give me your full attention. Kasi kapag natutunan mo tong technique na to, hindi ikaw ang hahabol. Ang ex mo, mapipilitan siyang maghabol sa'yo. So, the psychology behind it is hindi naman magic, pero you will understand the core principle na tinatawag nating value shift. Okay? Hindi value shift. It's value shift. Shifting. Kasi ang pointers natin dito, tatlong bagay. Naghahabol ka dati kasi hinayaan mong bumaba yung value mo sa mata ng ex mo. And kapag naibalik mo yung value mo, natural lang na sila ang hahabol. And the truth, people don't really chase what is always available. They chase what is hard to replace. Kung mapapansin mo, mas hinahanap ng tao ang mahirap palitan kumpara sa madaling palitan. Kaya nga mga tao, hindi lang mineral na bato ang minimina nila, kundi minimina nila ay ginto. At kahit saan mo tignan, mas mahalaga ang ginto kaysa sa mga bato dahil mas mahirap hanapin ang ginto kaysa sa mga bato lang dyan. So, are you a gold or are you just normal mineral, di ba? Kasi dito iikot yung pointers ko and I want you to really understand how this thing is going to work. So, I will teach you it. Easy ka lang. Step 1 natin ay tinatawag kong emotional detachment. At ito yung pinaka-hardest step of all time. Sinasabi ko of all time kasi sa lahat ng anxiety, ito yung pinaka-mahirap na step. Yung wag ka munang mag-reach out, wag ka munang ma-attach emotionally, wala munang reply, wala munang emotional rants, wala munang begging energy. Please, do not let your energy na mag-beg sa kanya dahil kapag hindi ka na-attach, hindi ka na in love, hindi ka na naghahabol, nagiging mysterious ka at mas tumataas ang value mo. This is the trigger for the ex to feel the loss. Kasi kung hindi ka marunong magbigay ng subtle trigger sa ex mo, then mataas ang chance na mapapawalang kwenta lahat ng ginagawa natin na to. Now, ito lagi kong tinuturo sa mga kliyente na hindi maintindihan kadalasan ng mga subscribers, pero sa mga clients naman, naiintindihan nila kasi minamano-mano ko, okay? Isa sa mga pinaka-importanting lesson, kung pwede lang sana, yung begging energy, tanggalin ninyo. Sabi ko nga, ano ba to? Energy, charisma, vibe, whatever it is, call it what you want. Energy, charisma, vibe, environment, feeling with you, ano ba tawag doon, spirit or anything like that. Basta yung energy, yung ano ba yung nafe-feel niya sa'yo? Kasi kung nafe-feel niya sa'yo na napakababa ng value mo, napaka-begging mo, begging, ang alam kong root word ng begging, beggar, di ba? Parang beggar, yung mga namamalimos. If your ex will feel that to you, no thrill at all. It doesn't give you a high value traits. It shows na napaka-needy mo at you are always available to have reconciliation, and that is going to hurt your relationship with your ex. It doesn't help you to relax, to move forward. Ang mangyayari kapag begging ka, it gives your energy booster na parang wala sa lugar. You don't really learn how to calm down, and that is the reason why you're literally making these things worse. Kaya kalma muna kayo. Step 2 ko, syempre, identity upgrade. Ang biggest pull factor natin para your ex will go back to your life is the new version. You need to make a small but noticeable improvements. Looks, lifestyle, confidence, routines, everything about you. Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-flex na sobra. Ang kailangan mo lang, mapakita na meron ng bagong energy about you. Kasi yung iniwanan niya last time, this is your old one. This is your old energy. At kailangan nang i-dispose yung old energy mo kasi hindi na yung kailangan sa game. Ang kailangan niya ngayon is a new energy. You need to make yourself look like a mistake na kailangan nilang pagsisihan. Diba? Yan, sinisinok pa ako. I mean, pasensya na kung medyo yung style ko ng pagbibigay ng teaching is freestyle. Actually, you can trust me with freestyle na klase ng pagtuturo kasi definitely means na lahat ng tinuturo ko dito is practical and applied sa mga clients ko. Kaya nga, kung ikaw gusto mo mabalik yung ex mo in a step-by-step way, pwede ka naman magpa-schedule sa akin sa Philippine Dating Coach for one-on-one coaching. So you can learn these things. Alam mo yun, at maging client kita, you will enjoy the journey of breakup. Kaysa naman yung lungkot na lungkot ka, pag naging client kita, you will enjoy the breakup. That's my objective. Ang pinaka-goal ng Philippine Dating Coach is for our clients na ma-enjoy nila yung journey ng breakup. That is what we provide here. Anyways, let's continue. Step 3, you need to have a controlled distance. Although hindi pa full ghosting, strategic distance lang tayo, you need to respond only when necessary. Kailangan mo lang mag-reply kapag kailangan lang. Do not show neediness or excitement kapag nag-reach out siya. Kailangan hindi ka available ng 24/7 para magkaroon sila ng fear of replacement na paano kung mawala ka na. We need to create something na what if someone better gets them? Parang ganun. Kailangan natin mag-create ng energy shift. At dito na papasok yun. Ang energy shift, ito yung pinaka-importante, dapat maramdaman ng ex mo na hindi umiikot yung mundo mo sa kanya. You need to show independence. You need to show peace. You need to show stability. Kailangan mo magpakita ng energy na pwedeng kaadikan ng ex mo. Kapag hindi ka na reactive sa kanya, mas lalo sila nagiging curious sa'yo. Ito yung mga signs na mag-work siya dahil biglang magpaparamdam yan, merong indirect post, patama, or about self-worth, or missing someone, something like that. At kapag nagawa mo yung mga bagay na yun, mapapasundo mo yung sarili mo sa kanya, right? So, everything will change once na nangyari ito. Hindi naman sa kailangan habulin mo siya lagi eh. Ang kailangan mo ang gawin is to shift the game. Kailangan mong baligtarin, kailangan mo siyang i-bluff. You need to learn how to calm down and you need to learn how to change the game. You need to mirror him or her kung bigla siyang lumalayo sa'yo. So that's how you play the game. If you want to get your ex back, you need to get yourself back. You need to get the respect that you really needed. So for one-on-one coaching, legit Facebook account namin ang Philippine Dating Coach. Nothing to worry with this one, okay? So thanks for watching.